Real serious question for you here today, and I hate to even ask this. Question is, should I tear this old garage workshop down? It's come into a state of disrepair. No big deal, I could fix all of that stuff. This light doesn't work, of course. Looks pretty shabby over here. I don't think it was built right in the beginning. These doors don't really fit right. That may be where the squirrels are getting in, right there. It's a mess over here too, big gaps. Not handy to get in these doors at all. These windows that are on here are like storm windows, not even real windows. And then I've got this mess happening here, right? And if you look at this, it seems to really drop going back that way. Really terrible. See, there's some really nasty looking stuff going on here. I'm always scared of snakes back in this area, but what I found here that is really interesting is it's right here, and I covered it back up with dirt so you can't see it, but it looks like that back part has kind of sagged down, but I'm wondering, might be that this middle part is just raised up, because there used to be a huge tree. The neighbors tell me there was a huge tree in this area right here. And when I was digging over here, I was planting, see, we've got, those are some volunteer plants right there, and then we tried to add to it, probably a little bit late, they're looking saggy. But digging right here, there was a huge root that didn't look like it was deteriorating at all, but it was pushing underneath the building there. I mean, a gigantic root about as big as my leg. And I think what might be happening, now that I look at this a little more, I think that root is actually pushing that part of the garage up. So I don't know what to do there. Should I just, bore some holes in the root and put some root killer in there and just let it fall down naturally? I'm not sure what to do about that. But it's just in a pretty bad state of disrepair. I mean, it's pretty raw in here. I know there are squirrels getting in. I don't feel like I can really do much with this right now, knowing that part of the building is raised up over there. I don't know if you can see that, but it appears to me that that section over there by the bandsaw, just to the left of the bandsaw, is kind of raised up. Probably hard to tell from this camera angle, but I'm gonna replace this window and put this AC unit in today, or I hope to. But I mean, this doesn't give you a good feeling that you wanna pour some money into this garage. So thinking about how I can fix the garage, or whether I should just say screw it and go over here on the other side of the garage and put another building out in that area. I got plenty of room here. My lot goes all the way back past those crepe myrtle trees back there. So plenty of room to do other things out here. So what would you do? What are your thoughts? I've never taken down a building or considered taking down a building or had any of these issues before. So I can ask ChatGPT, but thought I'd ask you first. What do you think?